Dear students, welcome to GSC classes. The ongoing confinement becomes obvious to fight against COVID-19. Unlike many disadvantages, it offers some extra time to us to contemplate. So let's revise what we have learned so far. Today I am going to discuss some interesting problem on adjective in form of error correction. You will have 10 seconds to solve the question appearing on the screen. After that, I will be always there to help you. So I think you are now ready to take the challenge. Let's move forward. Look at the first sentence. It tastes well. A part. When you add some cream. B part. Before baking a cake at home. C part. And no error. The last part. If you read the sentence carefully, you will find the verb used here is taste. Now, there are some verbs like taste, remain, appear, seem, look, feel. These verbs are called copular verbs. What is this copular verbs? It is a Latin word. It means related to. Actually, these verbs relate the subject to the subject complement. And after all these verbs, you should use an adjective, not an adverb. But here, after tastes, the word well is used, which is actually an adverb. So this well will be replaced by good here. So the final sentence will be, it tastes good when you add some cream before baking a cake at home. So the error part is the A part. Now look at the second sentence. The Nile is A part longer than B part any other river in India. C part and no error D. Here the error lies in C part. Why? Because we know that when a particular thing or a subject is compared with more than one thing or subject, then generally in comparative degree we should use any other. For example, when I change a superlative degree, suppose there is a sentence, he is the best boy of all in the class. Now if I change this sentence into comparative degree, I should write, he is better than any other boy in the class. Why this any other is introduced? It is introduced to refer that he, a particular person, is compared with more than one person or rest of the persons. Similarly, when we compare Nile with other rivers, then we should definitely use any other river. But in this group of other rivers, Nile should be included or the subject should be included to use the particular any other. But in this particular question, Nile is not included in the group. So we have to write the Nile is longer than any river in India. But if I had to write the sentence this way, the Nile is longer than dash river in the world, then I should write the Nile is longer than any other river in the world, because in that case Nile will be included in the group. But as Nile is not included in this particular sentence in the group to whom he is compared with, it is compared with, we have to write Nile is longer than any river in India. Clear? So here the error lies in the C part. Okay, let's go for the third question. Here goes the third question. A lots of books, option A, on English grammar are available in the market, option 2, but this one is the best, option number C, and no error D. Look, here error lies in the A part. Why? Because it's a very easy question. I think you all can answer this question. You know that we can use either a lot of books or lots of books. But here the expression is a lots of books. So the expression is wrong. So the error lies in the A part. At the utmost gate, option A, was standing a guard, option B, holding a gun in his hand, option C, and no error, option D. Now, in this sentence, the adjective is utmost, but it's wrong. Why? Because the comparative degree of out is outer and the superlative degree is outermost. But here the word used utmost. Utmost means the greatest. For example, he is a man of the utmost recognition. So if we use the word utmost here, it doesn't express the correct meaning. So we have to use outermost in place of utmost. So the error is in the A part. Question number 5. He is very busy today. A part. Because he is in. B part. Enter charge of the whole work. Option C. And no error. Option D. Look, here in the C part it says entire charge of the whole work. It sounds superfluous because entire and whole cannot be used in the same clause. So we can write the sentence either using entire or using whole. So in this sentence the error lies in C part. You can write the sentence as he is very busy today because he is in entire charge of the work, or he is very busy today because he is in charge of the whole work. Now come to the next question. Here is another interesting question. First, read the sentence. A big black round plastic table, option A, stood there like a dumb witness, option B, of the tragic incident, option C, no error, D. Now, to understand the problem here, first you have to know the order of adjectives. Generally, adjectives are put in order in this format. S, S, A, C, N, M. Here, S stands for size. The second S stands for shape. A for age, C for color, N for nationality, M for material, and then noun. But here, a big black round plastic table. So it is wrongly arranged. It should be replaced by a big round black plastic table. So the error lies in the A part. This is a very important question. Now look at the sentence. There were only two soldiers. This is option A. But each and every soldier, option B, was equal to 5 policemen. Option C, no error. D. I can tell you the error lies here in the B part. But can you tell me why? Let's see. Look, when we use each, we can use it for two or more than two persons or things. But each and every or every should be used only for more than two persons or things. Here, in the given sentence, there are only two soldiers. So, each and every is wrongly used here. It should be replaced by each soldier. So, the error is in the B part. Okay. Let's go for the next question. This question is a tricky one indeed. Look at the sentence. I am sure that option A, all my monthly expenses would exceed option B, the income if I do not economize. Option C, no error. D. Now read the B part very carefully. All my monthly expenses. Now what does it mean by monthly expenses? You can see that everything is included in the monthly expenses. So if I say the word all again, it seems superfluous. So we have to delete this all from here. So the sentence will be all will be deleted and then the sentence will be I am sure that my monthly expenses would exceed the income if I do not economize. So here the error lies in the B part. This is a very easy question. Many option A, boys are option B, absent today option C, and no error option D. Now you know many A is followed by a singular noun as well as a singular verb, but here many A, this expression is followed by boys are, so the B part is obviously wrong. It will be replaced by boy is. So the correct sentence will be many are boys is absent today. But if the expression is a many, then it will be definitely followed by a noun in plural as well as a verb in plural. So the error lies in the B part. This is the last question. Read the question properly. The police arrived and discovered. This is option A. A large number of hoarded sugar. Option number B. In his shop. Option number C. And no error. Option number D. In the B part of the sentence, there is an expression a large number of. Now you know this expression number is used with countable noun as it is used here for sugar which is uncountable, so it is wrongly used, we can say. So here in this sentence a large number of, this will be replaced by large quantity. So we can definitely say that this B part is wrong here. So this is the error of this sentence. So students, I hope you have had a good practice and you have cleared your conception on the chapter adjective. Get in touch with GSC pages so that you can have some more interesting lessons of competitive English and other subjects too. Stay at home, mask your mouth, but unmask your intelligence with GSCE, George School of Competitive Exam. Thank you.